Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cutting power to the controller and removing the battery pack. This clears transient faults. Once done, power cycle your console too, so both devices forget stale connections. Make sure to have a USB-C cable on hand, because a wired connection forces a fresh handshake. Next, press and hold the controller's sync button for 3 to 5 seconds and then plug it into the console. This initiates a full repair sequence and often stops the white flashing. You should now verify firmware and connection integrity, because outdated firmware or a faulty cable causes intermittent pairing that shows as a white flash. Make sure the console or the Xbox Accessories app shows the latest update. If not, install it. Then swap cables and use different USB ports to rule out a bad lead or port. If the controller pairs to a PC or phone reliably, the issue is likely the console or its wireless radio. Otherwise, suspect the controller hardware. Finish up by attempting a deeper reset and physical inspection, because persistent white flashing often means internal faults or power issues. You can force a factory-like reset by holding the sync and Xbox buttons for about 10 seconds, then repair. Make sure battery contacts are clean and spring tension is firm. Replace the pack if suspect. If the light still flashes after these steps and a firmware update, you should contact support or pursue board-level repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.